Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Nokia has launched its first ever consumer laptop series PureBook in partnership with Flipkart, and today we have with us the PureBook X14. So let's do the unboxing and show you the features of this laptop. In the front of the box we have the PureBook X14 written here along with the Nokia branding. And here we have the picture of the laptop itself, and this laptop is powered by Intel i5 processor. Here at this side of the box we can see some details such as it comes with the 10th generation i5, Windows 10, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos support, it weighs 1.1 kilograms, 512GB SSD drive along with the 8GB DDR4 RAM. You get the full HD IPS display and it offers slim bezels. Here at this side we can see the box content as well as the MRP, which is Rs 90,000. However, this particular i5 unit is available at a launch price of Rs 59,990. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we get the laptop itself, and here we have the product manual, and in this box we get the power adapter and the power cord. It's a 65 watt power adapter. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the laptop closely. Starting with the design, you have this matte finish all around the laptop, and the LCD cover of this laptop is matte black, and you have the Nokia branding in the middle. And guys, my first impression about this laptop that it's really lightweight as it weighs only 1.1 kilograms. The build quality is very good and this product definitely feels sturdy and well built. The laptop is 16.8 mm thin and the magnesium alloy chassis give this laptop overall a good look. In terms of the ports, on the right side of the laptop we have the 3.1 Type-C port, a regular USB 3.1 port and a full HDMI port along with the power port. On the left side we have the Kensington lock, Ethernet port, a regular USB 2 and a USB 3.1 port along with the combo headphone jack. The back of the laptop is clean, and here we have the vent in the middle to cool the system down, and you have these rubber feet on the top and bottom for better stability. Now let's open the lid and see the touchpad and keyboard. The keyboard is chiclet style, but the key travel is very good. The spacing between the keys is also good, and overall I like the quality of the keys. And with the 1.4mm key travel, you get a nice feel while typing. And guys, if you type fast like me, then you will love the feel of this keyboard. Below the keyboard we have the touchpad, and it's a precision touchpad which supports multiple gestures. The size of the touchpad is decent and the position of the touchpad is also very good. Next to the touchpad we have the Intel i5 branding, and that's it. You have a very neat and a clean look, and there are no other fancy logos or stickers on this laptop. Above the keyboard we have the Dolby Vision and the Dolby Atmos branding. And guys, I'm really happy that this laptop supports both the Dolby Vision and the Dolby Atmos technology. And if you don't know about the Dolby Vision and Atmos, basically this enables the screen to deliver high dynamic range that offers brighter brights and darker dark pixels, which enhances your entertainment experience. Now talking about the screen, the PureBook X14 has a 14-inch IPS display, but due to the minimal bezels of 4.8mm, you have a 14-inch display in a 13-inch body. And due to this laptop also offers 86% screen to body ratio. And lastly, above the display we have the webcam and the dual mic for video calling. The webcam is Windows Hello certified and supports IR Face Unlock. Now let me quickly show you the Face Unlock feature. The Windows Hello login or the Face Unlock works very fast, and you have this IR camera on the top which continuously scans for your face. Now starting with the hardware, you get the Intel i5 10th generation processor in this laptop, which is a quad-core processor with 8 threads, and the base frequency is 1.6 GHz. And with the turbo boost, it's 4.2 GHz. You get the 8GB DDR4 RAM and the 512GB NVMe SSD drive. About the graphics, you get the integrated Intel UHD 620 graphics chip, which is 4K enabled. And about the connectivity, you get the dual band Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth 5.1 for better connectivity and streaming. Now let's talk about the performance. Talking about the display, the 14-inch IPS panel looks wonderful, and the viewing angles are also pretty good. The screen is powered by Dolby Vision, and during our testing, we used the Netflix app to watch the Dolby Vision supported content, and we were really happy with the screen output and the performance of the display. To enable the Dolby Vision and the Dolby Atmos content, you have the Dolby Access pre-installed app. And here you can customize the settings as well as check the demo content. But again, while watching the Dolby Vision and the Dolby Atmos content, the video output is pretty good. And overall, I had an amazing experience while watching the Dolby Vision content. I have also watched some 4K content on this laptop, and there, the performance of this laptop was also pretty good. Talking about the audio, the speakers are located at the back of the laptop, and to be honest, the performance of these speakers is also pretty good. And unlike some other laptop of this size, the speakers are actually very good in this laptop. In terms of the performance, we have used this laptop for regular office tasks, which includes checking mail, surfing web, and watching videos on YouTube and other OTT platforms. And there, this laptop performed very good. The touchpad is also smooth and the touch gestures also works flawlessly. This laptop is blazingly fast, and due to the 10th generation i5, it boots up very fast. And also, the Windows Hello login allows you to log in quickly without the need of a password. The keyboard quality as expected is very good, and I had an amazing experience using this laptop for typing mails and my video scripts. In terms of the battery, it's a 3-cell 46.7 watt-hour battery, and during our testing, we got a decent battery backup of approximately 6 to 8 hours, which includes watching videos on YouTube, surfing web, and so on. And lastly, about the camera and the mic quality, it's average but more than enough for video calling. So overall, the Nokia PureBook X14 is a perfect laptop for office use, and also if you're a college student and looking for an ultra lightweight powerful machine for your day-to-day tasks, then we highly recommend you to check out the PureBook X14. The laptop comes with the 1-year on-site warranty, and guys, Nokia is known for their quality products, and looking at their first laptop, we definitely think that this laptop looks solid on both paper and in actual use. Dolby Vision and the Dolby Atmos is also a plus point, which will make your entertainment experience very good. So guys, if you like this laptop as well and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Nokia PureBook X14 laptop. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this laptop in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.